Hi guys, what is this video? Ating yung guys yung ulan. Ulan. Pero dito pa rin. Ayan guys, ang ating ulam for today ay gulay. Healthy. So, have a nice day guys. Thank you for watching.